Bullish band convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $7.74 and $16.86 by 2030. Market experts accept band could reach $7.74 by 2025. Bearish band convention market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.38. Band convention presentation. The presence of numerous conventions, both brought together and decentralized, has made a requirement for a scaffold between them for quicker exchanges, network simplicity, idleness, and broad associations. Band convention effectively fabricated this extension and dispensed with the requirement for mediators while cultivating security and unwavering quality. Nonetheless, towards the finish of the second quarter of 2022, the whole market went down a winding including band convention. In this video, we discuss the previous value activity of this token. The examination will give us an understanding into the future cost expectations, the basics hidden, and whether it's a wise venture for your portfolio over the long haul. What is band convention? Band convention was made in 2017 to make an extension between the customary web and the blockchain by giving certifiable information to the decentralized organization. It is controlled by an aggressive group drove by Sorvis Srinivakun, an accomplished programming designer and expert, going about as the chief, and Sorowit Suryakarn filling in as the CTO. Band convention crucial examination. This undertaking has made numerous organizations since its beginning and a full send-off in 2019 with firms like CX, Alpha Adventures, Sequoia Capital, Binance, and numerous others. Here are key occasions that have pushed its development and advancement. Towards the center of 2020, the band convention was relaunched on the Universe organization to ease speed that was not accomplished on the ERC mainnet. Also, band convention sent off its band chain public mainnet on Universe biological system to empower cross-chain combinations in June 2020. Band convention turned into the first blockchain organization to join the OpenAPI drive, an occasion that plans to foster programming that will associate applications on the blockchain with significant firms like Google, eBay, Microsoft, and IBM in December 2020. In July 2021, band convention sent off band chain v2. This adaptation allows the clients and information suppliers the opportunity to run hubs themselves as opposed to relying upon agents. Band convention current cost. Band convention is presently worth $1.72 USD. Band has moved 0.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,412,438. Band convention is presently positioned 288 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $60,554,798 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for band convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant band convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Band convention value forecast 2022. Band convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The band cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $2.58. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2.41 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Band is supposed to have a base worth of $2.06. Band convention value expectation 2023. In 2023, band convention band cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of band will before long outperform $4.30. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the band's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, band will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.79. Band convention value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $6.02 and band might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Band is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.51 and a low of $5.16 in 2024. Band convention value forecast 2025. Assuming that band convention effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the band coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, band will be green in 2025. The band is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $7.74, with a base cost of $6.88 and a typical cost of $7.23. Band Convention Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the band cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.95 by 2026, with a base cost of $8.60 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, band has a most extreme value worth of $9.46. Band Convention Value Forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10.67. On the off chance that band figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $11.18. Neglecting to accumulate the help band needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $10.32. Band Convention Value Forecast 2028. While band is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $12.04 and a yearly cost close above $12.90 in 2028. Band Convention Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Band Convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $13.76 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $14.62, averaging out at $14.11. Band Convention Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme band cost in 2030 is projected to be $16.86 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $16.17. And, from our investigation and cost gauges, obviously forecasts are not uniform on the genuine cost of these tokens, due to many variables that will perhaps influence it, like unofficial laws, associations, new progressions on the blockchain, or the overall set of laws. Doing a reasonable level of effort prior to money management is supposed to be your watchword. What is the Band Convention cost today? Today, Band Convention is exchanging at $1.72 with a complete market capitalization of $60,554,798. Is Band Convention a wise speculation? Band Convention ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Band is a decent decision of speculation. How high can Band Convention go? The typical cost of Band Convention might conceivably reach $2.41 this year.